Welcome YouTube, my name is Ryan Cass, aka Cass Money, and on this channel we do everything Pokemon. Today we're going to be opening 3 of the brand new Sun and Moon theme decks. Not only do we do pack and box openings, but we do in-depth deck building. We do a lot of TCG online. You can find me over on Twitch right here, Cass Money with a 0, and I do every new follower gets a free code card, and it's just a great place to hang out with some awesome people. So if you're into the online, I definitely consider following that. So without further ado, you want to see what's inside. We're going to go ahead and open these up, and on the very next couple episodes we're going to take what we have in here and begin building some decks online. Hope to see you later on some other videos on YouTube as well as on Twitch. We're gonna now open these up. Okay, so now we have the theme decks in front of us. We have Roaring Heat, the Forest Shadow, as well as Rising or Bright Tide. So let's look at Bright Tide real quick. Let you guys see the box art here. Bright Tide. It's gonna probably be tough to see the set list, but we'll go ahead and go over that when we open it up. Next up, the Forest Shadow theme deck. Sun and Moon. Very nice. And probably the one that has a little bit, probably the most play right now, Roaring Heat. If I had to recommend any of the 3, I would probably pick this one. All 3 of them have the same trainers, but Palossand has, or if that's how you say it, has some play right now. So without further ado, let's begin cracking these open. So bear with me. I'm gonna slide it right there. The box aside. With any theme deck, you get yourself, we'll just show this once. There you go. The playmat here, Sun and Moon, kind of has the, if you are online Pokemon, you'll see it has the same sort of artwork as seen on there. Okay, we have the brand new GX token that you flip over when you use it, as well as some damage counters. I think this is just an advertisement, if I recall. Looks like just advertising a little bit more about Sun and Moon and the full set list that will be coming out here in February. Okay. You also get yourself a nice coin here. Looks pretty cool. And we'll set the code aside there. Look at that. It's a little bit warped, but that's kind of what you expect from these theme decks. And into the actual theme. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love these energies. I think they're very cool. So I'll get a little bit closer here. So we have a water energy, just absolutely beautiful water energy. Okay, so sorry about that, but it seems like the camera loves to focus on my hands and not the cards. We'll try to fix that for next time. Here's the lightning energy, absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Okay, the Nest Ball. Definitely has a lot of play now. Search your deck for a basic Pokemon and put it onto your bench, then shuffle your deck. Pretty nice artwork too. So we'll go ahead and make sure we use that. I'm not going to read any of the names just for fear of probably pronouncing them wrong. But just look at some of the cool artwork here. Water Energy. And they start to really stretch these names anyway. So we have this one. Lantern. Shelter. Cloister. Golduck. Looks like they changed. I can't focus there. It's really struggling. The rare. Water Energy. Wingull. Potion. Lightning Energy. Psyduck. Here's a timer ball. Search, or flip 2 coins. Generally doesn't get a lot of play. One Energy. Spearow. Okay. Treasure Hunt. When you play this Pokemon from your hand to evolve one of your Pokemon during your turn, you may put an item card from your discard pile into your hand. That's kind of unique. Not sure if that'll get play. Okay. A non-holo version. Just draw 3 cards. Our other Nest Ball there. Water Energy. I still just can't get over how pretty those look. Here's a Lily. You'll see this potentially used a little bit, so draw cards until you have 6 in your hand. If it's your first turn, you can draw until you have 8. So potentially a first card supporter could be pretty nice. Our first hand supporter. Another one, Professor Cookie. Draw 2 cards during this turn. Your opponent's or your Pokemon's attack does 20 more damage to your opponent's active Pokemon. So you get a draw and do 2 more damage. It's kind of like Professor, what's his name? I forgot the one where you can either draw 5 or do 20 more damage. It lets you draw and do 20, so that's kind of nice. Ultra Ball. So Ultra Ball got a reprint. It looks pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so we're learning. I've never done theme deck openings. Obviously, the pack openings get a lot more exciting, but then again, these are brand new Sun and Moon theme decks. So they're the only thing out currently. So that's kind of exciting to do it. So let's go ahead and now I'm gonna set this deck aside up here. We'll just go through the deck here. Not to completely ruin the box. do the same thing. Let's just pass that off to the side. The GX counters, the advertisement, the coin. Let's take a look at the coin. Pretty cool. Set that off to the side. Code card. We do code cards giveaways all the time on Twitch, so if this video interests you, or if you're like, you know what, I'm really just into playing competitive online and pack openings aren't for me, can't say we're overly competitive. I like to play non-archetype decks, so I'll certainly play them competitive decks, but I like to play things that are a little bit underdogs on there and just enjoy the game. So that's a really nice artwork here on this box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so grass energy. We're gonna see a lot of grass energy in this one. So we'll go ahead and just look through a few of those grass. Rowlet, Kangaskhan. Turn to Kangaskhan. Grass energy. Parasect. Surskit. Pinsir. That's pretty nice looking card right there. That is our rare in this set, or in this theme deck. Illuminate. Once during your turn, you may search your deck for a grass Pokemon, reveal it, and put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. So it's a stage 1, but once during your turn you can search for a grass Pokemon. It's kind of nice. So it's like something that can sit in the back and just let you power up. It's kind of an interesting idea. Nest Ball. Three for 120, stage 2. Probably won't see any play. Morlo. Heal 20 damage and remove a special condition from your active Pokemon. It's an item. Timer Ball. Here's a Lily again. Still just love the look of these energies. I think they're beautiful. I've said that a couple of times, I think, already. Nest Ball. Ultra Ball. Okay. So we're through 2, onto probably the most anticipated, Roaring Heat. All the advertisement on the side. Next one, the red. Set that off to the side there. Knock that off. It's in a roar. Looks pretty cool. Set that over there. Here's the box art. Looks very nice. Let's crack it open. Okay. The fire energies look pretty nice. Sandy Cat fighting. The nest ball. Ball. Professor Cooney. Stage 2 Torracat. Lily. Another timer ball. Okay. Something you're seeing a lot of play probably in Pokemon Online. Passimium. Whatever. So you see a lot of play here with this guy. The reason is Fling. Well, there's two. It's team play mainly, but Fling, which lets you... this attack does 30 damage to one of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Boom. Not bad. And 2. This for 2 energies, 10 plus 30 more damage for each one of these on the bench. So you can hit hard. Nest ball. Okay, there's the other non-hollow version. Another one of those. Alright. And another thing people are playing is the Oranguru, which has the ability Instruct. Once during your turn, you may draw until you have 3 cards in your hand. Alright, well... Okay, so my other camera ran out of memory as I was recording. So we were just finishing talking about Oranguru, and I think that wrapped up everything we wanted to talk about. Thank you so much for watching. It was a blast opening these up, and I'm so excited for Sun and Moon's full box set coming here shortly. So if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. If you're looking for other content related to Pokemon, this is the spot to be at. Hopefully I see you over on Twitch at CastMoney with a 0 instead of a O. And I look forward to getting to know a lot of you a lot better over there and on here. For this next video that I put out, if you just leave a comment, I'll pick a comment at random and make sure they get their own code card too, if you're not interested in checking out Twitch. But thanks again, and I'll see you next time.